In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Podia quizzes, how to add a quiz to Podia courses. We'll start right from your Podia dashboard. Once you're logged in, head to the products area. This is where all your courses live. Find the course you want to update and click edit to open the course builder. Inside the course editor, you'll see the option to create a new lesson. Open the new lesson dropdown and choose add quiz. You'll be taken to the quiz setup screen. Begin by giving your quiz a clear descriptive title so learners immediately know what it covers. Next, select New Question to start building your quiz. For each question, add a concise question title or prompt. Then enter the answer options and make sure to mark which one is correct. Keeping your options short and unambiguous will help learners focus on the content rather than parsing tricky wording. If you're mixing question types conceptually, stick to a consistent format for clarity, like all multiple choice. As you add questions, think about the learning outcome for each one. What skill or concept is this question checking? That way your quiz reinforces the lesson rather than feeling like a random checkpoint. Work through each question until your quiz feels complete. Before you finalize, scan for duplicates, typos, and any answers that might look too similar to each other. When everything looks good, click Done. That saves the quiz as its own lesson in your course. If you prefer to use a quiz from another platform, there's a simple alternative. First, create your quiz externally and copy its shareable link. Make sure you have a direct URL that learners can open. It should not be an embed code. Then, back in Podia, go to Products, open your course by clicking Edit, and choose New Lesson again. This time, select Add Embed. Give the lesson a title that matches your quiz, and paste the shareable link into the field provided. A quick tip here. Verify that the link doesn't require extra logins your students won't have, and that it's accessible on both desktop and mobile if your audience uses multiple devices. When you're set, click Save. That's it. Whether you build natively in Podia or link to a trusted external tool, you now have two reliable ways to add quizzes to your courses. Use clear titles, purposeful questions, and consistent formatting to make your assessments smooth, supportive, and effective. Thanks for watching and happy course building. Peace.